If you accidentally removed the brightness control from Control Center on your iPhone, or you simply want to add it back, I'll show you exactly how to do it. This is a really simple process, and it only takes a few seconds. First, open the Control Center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Once Control Center is open, look for the plus icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to start editing your controls. Now you'll see an option at the bottom that says Add a Control. Tap on that. This will open a list of all the controls you can add to your Control Center. At the top, you'll see a search option. Tap on Search Controls and type Brightness. You should now see the brightness control in the search results. Simply tap on Brightness, and it will immediately be added to your Control Center. Once it has been added, you can move it wherever you want. Just press and hold the brightness control, then drag it to your preferred position. This is useful if you accidentally removed the brightness control, or if you want to rearrange your Control Center so your most used settings are easier to access. Once you're happy with the position, simply tap anywhere outside the editing area to finish. And that's it. The brightness control is now back in your iPhone Control Center, and you can quickly adjust your screen brightness whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.